Well, hello and welcome to a new video. It's been a while since I've done another DIY video, and those videos are actually my favorite. Well, I love, of course, doing sessions as well and then showing behind the scenes. So yeah, I love helping you take even more amazing photos by sharing camera settings and light setups and everything. But what I like to do a lot is just craft photo shoot items. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how you can felt a very easy and very simple and small prop. It's not expensive, it can be a little bit painful, and it might be hard if you are really afraid of needles, because there are needles involved. So I'm actually in the studio today for 2 newborn sessions. First I have a girl, and then in the afternoon there is a little boy coming. So I have these little hearts, like this is a little felted heart. And this is an off-white one, and here I have another one which is more like a sand colored, grayish taupe colored heart. So I have 2 little felted hearts. They're really tiny and they are super cute because a newborn can hold on to the little heart. You can even put it in between their feet when you're photographing their feet together, and there's this tiny felted heart in between their feet. Super cute. So now let's first go to the video where I'm showing you how you can make these and tons of other props. Like you can felt butterflies, you can even felt whole, hats, you can felt little teddy bears, whatever you like. But it's pretty much, you have a rubber mat, you have some of this special wool and a special needle, and you just stick into it until it like gets a certain shape, and then by pushing more, like for example here in the middle of the heart, it'll become this heart shape, and the more you put your needle into it, the more sturdy it becomes. So let's go to the video where I'm actually showing you how to make these, and then later we're going to come back here to the studio and I'm going to show you these little felted hearts in use during a newborn session. I'm going to again show you behind the scenes video clips of actual newborn sessions, and then show you the final finished product with these little felted hearts. So I'll see you later. Yeah, making this heart cost me, I don't know, between 10 and 15 minutes, and it's quite relaxing as well. Just make sure you don't stick the needle into your finger because that hurts. I started making this butterfly as well. It's not finished yet because it still needs the tentacles, I don't know. And I might decorate the wings maybe later, but for now this is what I made. But it's pretty easy. You have this special needle and then some carded wool or wool candy, however you want to call it, and you just stick the needle in. Oh yeah, and you didn't need a piece of like a rubber, but that's it. And you can be as creative as you want. You can make a little teddy bear, or I don't know, little rainbow, or whatever you like. Okay, so now you've seen how you can make these little felted hearts or butterflies or whatever you like, flowers, teddy bears. So I'm going to set up now in the studio first for my newborn session with the little girl. So I'm going to show you my setup and hopefully some behind the scenes images. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video about just another small DIY project. You can felt whatever you like. It's easy. Yes, you can stick the needle into your finger, which will hurt you, but you get more, you get better at it as you go. Like sometimes you can even like watch series on Netflix and felt at the same time and not stick the needle in your finger. You will get better at it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comments, have you ever felted something? What if you felt it, or will you never ever do it again for some reason? Share the reason as well. That's fun to know. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and then I'd love to read your comments, and then hopefully you can see me in my next video. Okay, so for the newborn session with the little boy, we're gonna do off-whites and whites. So I think the heart will work really well there. Here you can see them. Beautiful. So we've got off-white on the beanbag, and then the mint green flocati, and the rest I'm gonna set up later. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day or evening, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye bye.